All right, New Jersey, so we're going to use the 123 generator to show you what can happen if you use this for your state. We're going to use 648. Now, the lottery for New Jersey just came out. The midday just came out, 260. So that's going to be in this result set too. So actually, we're doing it live. I mean, not live, but we're doing it right after the drawing came out. All right, it came out at 12:59. It's now, on my time, it's 1:18. So the number just came out, 260. All right, so I digress. Here we go. We're going to put in 648 just to give enough, enough history so you can see all these numbers that we're going to see in this workout. They're going to be in the result set. All right, so we just generated our grid. So now what we're going to do is we're going to find our mirror doubles. And our mirror doubles, they're pretty easy to identify. Once you start looking at it and you see it, the key to finding the mirror doubles is going to be in the middle column, all right? But you could find them without that. So when I say in the middle column, there's going to be a sequence of numbers. It'll be a pattern. Now, it could be, you could call it a sequence, but it could be a pattern too. So it'll be a repeating pattern. Let me say that. So watch this, the repeating pattern, and I'll show you how you know. Look at the middle column here. See, it has 468, 024, 468, 024. All right, the one that you want is the one that has the mirror and a double attached to it. So in our case, in our plays, it's going to be 024. Why? Because you got the zeros, which are the doubles, and you have the mirror of 2 and 7 there. If you go down and look at the next 024, you're going to see you have the mirror of 0 and 5 and the double of 2. All right, that just tells you that that's where your numbers are going to be connected to. All right, so let's look at the first one. Let's say it was 648. We're looking for 817. All right, so here's our mirror doubles right here. What do you guys see? 718 connected to the mirror doubles. All right, what's the next one? I'm pretty sure you can see it. 047 is our mirror doubles. What do we need? 047, 047, 470 to solve there. What's next after that? 074, right here, 074. It's in our grid. And now we're looking for the number that just came out, 260. Well, let's see. 126 it's still in that mirror grid. This 120, because that 6 is the 1 is the 6. 120. And that number came out too. So it'll be 260 because to that right there. You could also look for a 675. That could be in it, but let's look down the bottom and see if you have that there. So our numbers that we're looking for, it might not be in both places. It might just be in one spot. So it might not show up everywhere. What you do at this point is you could use 369 generator to do it. You could probably go to like the 730 generator. And what that's going to do is it's going to just compare. It's going to just, you're going to see the most common number that comes out all the time. All right, that's why you're using multiple generators to do this, you know? But you might find the one that works for your state. So New Jersey, you see all of your picks were right here, and they were just right in this one generator. So New Jersey, you should be trying this generator and in combination with the 369 just to see if the numbers come out. All right, because they're right there. All of your numbers from 648 all the way up to today, right now, is in there. All right, I'm not doing it the 369 on this one. I'm not going to use that generator because this is telling me that I need to stick to this for the evening at this point because the numbers are coming out. All right, so the key to this is, and you can use your mirror number, which your day sum too, because right here it is in your day sum. Look at the grid. You got the mirror, and you got the doubles right here next to the day sum. So you know you're in the right spot. All right. Same thing up here. It's just the mirror of the 5 is the 0. So, but you're still in your mirror double. But when we did the mirror of it, we still see all of our hits right in this little cluster. Right here, we see it. All right? We see it again. Let me just go over it one more time so you're clear on this. All right? You got 648 that we put in. It could have been, we could have did 096. It doesn't matter. They're all in the same grid. I just randomly picked 648. So we got the 817 off of the 7 right there. You see it? 718. We would have hit. I'm not even looking at the mirrors of flips of that. All right, 047 right there on the 7. 047 right after that 740. It's right there. And then off of that, we set 260, right? Remember the mirror now, in this case it would have been the mirror. This one might have been a little tougher, but it's still there because we have to look at what's connected. But there's our 260, which could have been, 175, maybe it could have been that. That's again, that's why I would use another generator to see if that number came out again. All right? So that's it. That's all I have to tell you. This is for entertainment purposes only. For you enthusiasts who love to play, this is great tools for you to use to accomplish your goals. So check out the generators, LNumerisLotteryStrategies.com. We got a bunch of them. Get there, test them out. Good luck, and I'll see you on the other side.